consider waking up early in the morning, grabbing your phone, and finding a new notification. Congratulations, you've just made $281.5. It's a direct payment into your bank account, and you'll get another notification right away. Congratulations, boom, you just made another $547. This will be transferred into your PayPal account automatically. This has become rather routine for me, and many other people who know the secret will receive notifications like this on a daily, if not hourly, basis. Today, you could be one of us. This brief video will change your entire perspective on making money online in ways you've never seen before. I'm going to go over 5 different free applications that will pay you automatically with no work at all. Well, not totally zero work, because you still have to download the app and log in every day to claim your money. In any case, they're all completely free. No credit card or money is required. Yes, they work in the United States, the United Kingdom, Australia, the Philippines, India, Nigeria, Pakistan, Bangladesh, Indonesia, Vietnam, and any other country on the planet. So stay tuned and watch all the way to the end to understand all of these 5 apps, since the more apps you utilize, the more money you'll make. But first, welcome to Money Intelligence, where we show you how to make money online in the simplest way possible. Please subscribe to this channel so that you don't miss out on future videos. Don't forget to click on the notification bell as well, so that anytime we release a new video on how to make money online, you will be the first to know, and you will be able to start making things happen right away. Also, please give this video a big thumbs up if you enjoy it. Please don't be shy about leaving a comment down below if you have any concerns, questions, or thoughts regarding the video. Let's get back to the video now, shall we now? The first app I'll show you today is called Instagc, and it allows you to earn a lot of money by simply downloading it for free on your phone. You can now proceed to Instagc. And once again, this works on Android phones and also works on your iOS devices. In fact, I'd like you to leave a comment below and tell me what kind of devices you're using. However, when you go to the Instagc Facebook page, as you can see above, that is the name. And here is the logo right now. They'll show you all of the payment proof on their Facebook page, and they're really open about it. As you can see, you have successfully redeemed $175.96 in PayPal. You may now see the actual payment proof right here. If you do not have a PayPal or bank account, you can now redeem your money for a free Amazon gift card. If you like this video, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel. Now, let's return to the video. You can earn points for things you already do online, as you can see here. For example, if you can complete some basic surveys by clicking a few buttons and be paid for it, why not? And if you have 10 or 20 minutes a day, you may just explore the web, browsing various websites and searching on Google, and you'll be paid for every minute you work. And more importantly, I personally like this way, which is watching videos. It is one of my favorites because you can simply click on the play button and let the video play in the background. You can also open numerous tabs to watch multiple videos at the same time. In addition, while watching the films, you can take surveys or search the internet. That is how you can generate many streams of income from a single app. If you want to get this app, all you have to do is sign up for Instagc via Facebook, Twitter, or Google. Otherwise, simply enter your login password and email address and click on this button to sign up, and you'll receive 10 points right away. Now we'll move on to the second app. The name in this case is App Karma. You may now earn rewards simply by playing with this app, and it's completely free. You don't have to pay anything. The best part is that they are compatible with both iOS and Android devices. You may now earn points on this app and spend them on PayPal or many top brand gift cards. So all you have to do is tap this button to get App Karma directly on your phone. And once you install this app, you'll instantly receive 300 points for free, with each 100 points equaling $1, which means they will give you $3 for free without you doing anything. Now, if you want to multiply your profits and make more money on App Karma, continue on. You can also refer others to this app, as seen here. Simply share your invite link or referral code, and you will receive 30% of what your referrals earn. Now, let's assume you suggest one person now, and they make $100. You can get $30 for free without doing anything. That's insane. If you like this video, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel. Now, let's return to the video. Last but not least, the reason this app is so powerful is that you can simply check in, as you can see below, and earn daily incentives by simply logging into this app. Furthermore, every time you complete particular tasks or activities, they will award you with a special badge. All of these badges will assist you in leveling up. As you can see, you can boost your reward level by earning all of these badges, which will offer you an additional 12.5% of the bonus. Moreover, you can literally multiply your revenue. For example, if you make $100, you can easily turn it into $125 by using these badges, and that is completely insane. So go through all of the achievement badges and collect as many as you can to boost your profits. Moving on to the third app that I want to show you today is called Cashkick, and you can find it at cashkick.com. On this website, they do not use any point system and instead pay you in hard cash. So basically, cash is their best reward. They'll put all of the cash into your account, and they can perform bank transfers and PayPal money. So once again, on this website, you can answer various surveys, locate various grid offers, watch videos, and explore the web. And this is extremely similar to Instagc. However, they will pay you even more money than Instagc. And once again, I want you to concentrate on watching videos since it will pay you the most money. If you want to create a free account, all you have to do is enter your email address and password and click on this button to get started right away. Now we'll go on to app number 4, which is called Superpay. You can now visit superpay.me. Basically, you can now make money online by taking free paid surveys. And they pay quickly within 24 hours, you can get your money, and they have a low cash out threshold. You may work from home and do as much or as little as you like. And if you join today for free, you'll receive 20 cents as a registration incentive right away. And as I'm producing this video, they've already paid out nearly $4 million to all of the app's members globally. And once again, the notion is quite simple. You may join today for free and receive a 20-cent bonus right away. You can also participate in various surveys and complete other offers. And once again, you have the option of cashing out your earnings in a variety of ways. PayPal money, Tango gift card, Amazon gift card, and Skrill are a few examples. And have a look at this. They're quite open about all of their payment proof. You may see who they paid today by clicking here. And you can see all of the members' names, all of the usernames, and all of the payment types right here. You can see that the majority of them cash out via PayPal, and you can see their earnings. So all you have to do now is click on this button, and as you can see here, you can join for free today. Simply click on this. That will take you to this page where you can register for free. Simply provide your personal information and mailing address below. And once again, they are welcoming people from all across the world, and this is widely accepted over the world. So right now, I'd like you to leave a comment below and tell me about your country and where you're from, so that I can make more videos for you in the future. So for the time being, you can simply submit your payment information right here. They will be paid once you have completed all of the tasks. And you can just agree to that by going on to the terms and conditions. Click this "I'm not a robot" to sign up for a free account. Now we're on to the final app, which is insane. And the name here is Smart App, which you can get at smartapp.io. And once again, you may install and download this app on your mobile phone for free. And you can get money every month without doing anything. So basically, this is how it works. You sign up for a free account and complete a quick survey to ensure that you are accepted. After that, you're qualified, you can download your app, but make sure you turn on your phone every day. You can also get free walls and cash on your cell phone. All you have to do now to install this app and join up for a free account is click on this button. I'd like to sign up, which will take you to this page to complete a quick survey. And if you qualify, you may install this app on your phone and make passive income without doing anything. So basically, these are all the applications available today that you can download for free on your mobile phone and use to generate passive revenue again and again. That's all there is to it. Before we go, subscribe to the channel, press the notification bell, hit the like button, and I'll see you in the next videos.